Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and I got a super nice one for you guys today. I've got a model 2018 Rockwood Roo Model 19. I know that sounds confusing, but it's a 2018 Roo 19. All right, so this is a hybrid camper. Let's start in the front. We've got a power tongue jack. We've got two propane tanks, auxiliary battery, guys. This thing is pre-wired for solar, large storage out here, guys. We've got 30 amp power. You could plug up another television over here, guys. Look at this little outside table over here. Brand new tires, guys, on this Roo. LED lighting, power awning in excellent condition, guys. All the vinyl for the pop-outs are in excellent condition. It's got a spare tire and carrier. Another storage back here as well. Outdoor shower. Aluminum wheels. Again, brand new tires, guys. This thing is in excellent condition. All right, so let's go inside. This thing has no leaks, no soft spots whatsoever. As soon as you walk into the left, we've got this large sleeping area over here, queen size. We've got storage up above. We've got controls for our furnace right here. And then we have our controls for everything else. Now, this thing has a Sky 3 Wi-Fi Ranger, guys. This is a Wi-Fi extender. They call it an internet booster. It is super awesome, guys. Over here, you can see all the space. This is a lot of space in a small package. We've got a double bin sink over here, plenty of counter space, microwave up here with plenty of storage, 3-burner stove and oven with more storage over here, guys. We got rooftop AC. This is a 30 amp unit and very nice cabinetry, and your refrigerator over here. More closet slash pantry space over here. Now, your dinette over here will turn into another sleeper, as well as this couch right here will also turn into a sleeper, kind of like a futon over here. And then our other sleeping place over here, another queen size with storage up above, guys. You got a power roof vent over here as well. You got interior and exterior speakers, flat screen television. We've got a nice entertainment center over here with auxiliary USB as well as HDMI, guys. So everything we want over here. And then you guys are going to be really amazed with this bathroom. Wow. Glass enclosure in a hybrid. Check this thing out, guys. Another power roof vent over here with a lot more storage space. Guys, this thing for a hybrid is fully loaded with plenty of space. So listen, if you guys are interested in this camper or any other ones that I've got, please give me a shout. My name is Chris with CGM Auto Brokers, and I can be reached at 704-620-8388. Again, 704-620-8388. You can visit us online, www.cgmautobrokers.com. Visit us in person, 4708 West Highway 74, Monroe, North Carolina, guys. Please, if you have any questions, please ask them here, call me, and most importantly, if you like these videos, please like, please subscribe, and guys, please remember, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching. God bless.